Hello, programming languages students. Welcome back for a little video on numbers. This is our first real dive into numbers in Prolog and how we can work with them. In general, it's very similar to atoms, but there are a couple little quirks. So we're going to talk about those here. So to start with, we just talked about variables and unification, and that we could do something like assign x equal to an atom, a constant, a word that starts with a lowercase letter. And we showed that we could also do this with numbers. We could do x equals 1, and that'd be fine. But what's interesting is once we start adding expressions in, so we have a plus sign, a minus sign, a divided by, or a times, if we try to make this assignment, it actually just assigns it to the expression. And that's not really what we want. In this case, we would really want x to be equal to 3. And so is does a literal assignment. Equal sign does a literal assignment. The word is, though, when used with a mathematical expression, allows us to add things together. So the key is when we're using any sort of mathematical expression, and we'll see this start to show up as we go through, but when we're doing mathematical expressions, you need to use is instead of an equal sign. So that way we assign values instead of expressions. This could also be useful if we do something like x equals 1, and then y is x plus 2. Notice that this works. We've assigned x equal to 1. You can still assign numbers equal to a variable if there's no expression, right? The plus sign, the minus sign, the divide by, the times is the key here. But on the right side here, once we've set x equal to 1, we can set y equal to x plus 2, and so y ends up being 3. If we messed up and left an equal sign here, though, then y becomes 1 plus 2, right? So anytime we have a mathematical expression, plus, minus, times, divided by, we need to use is. Otherwise, the equal sign will work. So that's really the main point of confusion that comes up with numbers. Other than that, numbers behave as you would expect. So this is really the one point of confusion here. So just be really careful with this as you go forward. Just try to build into your mind, anytime we have a plus, minus, times, divided by, in that expression, you need to use the word is instead of an equal sign. All right, see you next time.